Is Westpac only in Australia? That's a question many people ask, especially since it's known as one of Australia's big four banks. It's easy to assume a bank so deeply rooted in Australian history, literally Australia's first bank established in 1817 as the Bank of New South Wales, primarily operates within its home country. But the reality is, Westpac's reach extends far beyond the shores of the land down under. Westpac, now known as Westpac Banking Corporation, certainly has a massive presence in Australia. It's a cornerstone of the Australian financial landscape, serving millions of customers across various brands like St. George, Bank SA, and Bank of Melbourne, in addition to the main Westpac brand. This includes everything from personal banking and small business support to large corporate and institutional services. So, while it's undeniably Australian at its core, that's not the whole story. Beyond Australia, Westpac has a significant footprint in New Zealand. It's one of the largest banks there, offering a comprehensive range of banking, wealth, and insurance services to consumers, businesses, and institutional clients. In fact, Westpac New Zealand operates largely as a distinct entity, reflecting its importance in the Kiwi economy. But the international journey doesn't stop there. Westpac also has operations across the Pacific Islands, providing essential banking services in several nations, including Fiji and Papua New Guinea. These operations are crucial for local economies, offering everything from basic transactional accounts to more sophisticated financial solutions for businesses. Furthermore, Westpac has a global presence through its institutional bank, which caters to commercial, corporate, institutional, and government customers with connections to Australia and New Zealand. This division has offices and representative presences in key financial hubs around the world. For instance, Westpac has a long-standing presence in the United Kingdom, with its London office being the oldest surviving foreign bank in the UK, established way back in 1853. They also have operations in Germany and the Americas, particularly in New York, supporting wholesale and institutional clients and providing access to global financial markets. So, to answer the question directly, no, Westpac is not only in Australia. While its roots are firmly Australian and it has a dominant position there, Westpac is a truly international financial institution with a strategic global presence, particularly in New Zealand, the Pacific, and key financial centers in Asia, Europe, and the Americas. Its international network is focused on facilitating trade, investment, and financial services for clients with links to Australia and New Zealand. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.